Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and today, once you pop you can't stop. Now you know I like to do a true unboxing, and this is not a true unboxing. This is not a true unboxing by about 35 minutes because this has just arrived. And the box is inordinately massive, and you can see it's actually two boxes that have been sellotaped to each other to make one enormous box. Now I know what was in here. It didn't require such a big box. But I think what happened was when I placed the order for this item, I didn't tick the luxury packaging option, for which you pay a little bit extra. And so my small item arrived in this massive, by anyone's standards, bag. Oh, look how they've done the bow. I've always wondered how you're supposed to do a bow with this kind of, with the slots in the top of the bag. Yeah, and now I know. Oh, I'll put them both through, and oh, wasn't that lovely? Right, let's get into it. Oh wait, before we get into it, if you enjoy what I do here on the interwebs, then please do show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and be notified when I upload new videos every Monday and Thursday, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, enough of that, I can't wait to get in. Oh, we have got tissue paper, more tissue paper. And look, it's this teeny tiny dust bag filled with something delicious, and we've got the teeny tiny bows on it this time, so oh, hello baby, and I do mean baby. Oh, isn't she cute? She may look a little familiar. Recognise? How cute! It's like a me and a mini me. Yes, I went for the micro Lottie. Isn't she beautiful? So she was also on the list that I gave hubby and said I would not be unhappy with any of these items to replace the Alexander McQueen birthday bag that didn't work out. And when I opened this bad boy, I thought maybe hubby would have got me this one as well to do like a mummy and baby kind of thing, which in my head that's how it works, and I think is cute. He didn't, he wanted to go for something different, which is why I got the Soho clutch. So decisions had to be made. I couldn't justify keeping so many Aspinal bags, so the blue Soho clutch has gone back and I've kept the gold one. Clearly I'm into the shiny. I mean, I've always been into the shiny things, but really into the shiny things right now. Oh, this colour, this is quilted nougat and caviar, so it's caviar leather. It is a micro version of the large Lottie. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up on the colours, but super beautiful. Doesn't have the back slot there, has the same opening. She's got the gorgeous leather and chain strap. She's got a beautiful pale pink lining, and can you see there it's got Aspinal of London debossed, and there's one slip pocket at the back there, and she's got 4 little feet to keep her nice and clean. Now, so my main thing is, does my phone fit? Yes it does. I'm not going to go into a full what fits or anything, but I just needed to check this one thing because otherwise there may have been an issue and this baby might have had to have gone back. She's beautiful. I love her. She smells amazing. Oh, and this is I think this is a really great kind of colour. I think it's one of those ones that would kind of almost change to match whatever it is you're wearing. And I absolutely see this as a dress up, dress down bag as well. It would be great for things like weddings and stuff like that, when you just need to take a bit of lippy and your little Chanel compact mirror and your phone, and that's it. I'll do a what fits a little bit later on, but I just wanted to get in and have a look at this and make sure everything was perfect, to decide whether she was staying or if she needed to go back. And also, here and now, this is a message from my husband. Baby, you spoilt me way too much for my birthday and Christmas. You bought me what can only be described as a ton of things. So this one is not on you, this one is on me. You've already bought me the large Lottie, the gold Soho clutch, my Longchamp bag up there. I think 3 handbags is enough for any birthday Christmas combo. So thank you very much, baby, but I'm paying for this one. This bag was reduced from £395 to £237. Right, let's have a look and see what she looks like slung over my shoulder. Of course, I'll link to the webpage in the description, but here are some details for you. It is 4.5 by 7.5 by 2.5 inches. The strap drop is 12.5 and 23 inches. This is handmade in Spain. It is Italian full grain leather, and it has the classic Aspinal letterbox style lock. I'm getting some kind of almost green and gold shimmers across the leather, which is giving a distinctly kind of pinky, what are they calling it? They're calling it nougat as a colour. I mean, I've eaten it, but it has got a sort of distinctly pale pink, rose goldy, not even rose gold, just don't know how to describe it, but I'm getting shimmers of green and gold across it as well. So it's giving me, and I do say this with caution, slight Chanel iridescent vibes. It's nowhere near to that scale, and not even to the scale of my dress up your purse pouch, but it is there. Mama may have developed an Aspinal habit. I suppose it's better than having a Louis or a Chanel habit. I already have a Louis habit. What do you think of this little cutie? And also, soak it up, because this is the last unboxing I'm going to be doing for a while. That's it. So I'm off to play with my micro Lottie and try and start working out what's going to go where, what needs to get lost to accommodate these new Aspinal beauties. Oh my god. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do show it the thumbs up love, hit the subscribe button and ring my bell, be notified when I upload my new videos. And until my next video, please do stay at home and stay safe, kids. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!